Hey, and welcome back. Whoa, it's Friday. Yeah. Not really, I'm recording these sessions back to back to back to back to back to back, back to back. This is where we left off. Killing a boat. Killing a bunch of birds. Butchering them like they're nothing. Butchering them like crazy. Because that's what we do here. Get it? I'm gonna make a joke about the name of my channel. It's called the name of my friend and name of our channel. Even though I'm the only one posting junk, even if it is cringe-worthy garbage Let's Plays, it's a thing, and it's something I'm not proud of. Actually, I am. I'm at least doing something. I said, hey, I'm gonna make some videos and put them on YouTube. And you know what? I did. They're here. What is this? What are you? What are you? You guys are new. You guys are very new. You got more health than your average Jew. I threw that grenade the wrong way. Didn't mean to throw that grenade the wrong way. Whoa, those guys, I lost myself in the explosion. I couldn't tell where it was. But who all? Come on, right here, right back here. Oh well. You gotta leave off. You gotta have fun. You know, after, I'm gonna play this series until I beat this boss, and then I'm gonna start a new Let's Play. Hint, hint. It might be a Resident Evil game. Ooh, maybe 3, maybe 2. I don't know. I play a game I'm actually good at. Yeah. So be on the lookout. But until that point, enjoy this speedy fast forward. And back to this point, I'll unspeed it here and I'll just kill these bros normally, like the man I... Whoa, 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 ho, ho, Roho. I got stuck on a guy who hadn't even spawned in yet. But woof. You think not spawning in is gonna stop me? We're gonna play a game of Ring Around the Rosie. Ring around the Rosie. And that guy blew himself up because he's a loser. That's what losers do. And now I have won. I don't know what this means. Is this one of those things I can pull, or is it just nothing? It was nothing. Sorry, if I nudged my headset, I need to stop doing that. But, yes. The third of the triangles. I just need one more. One more delicious and delicate triangle. Scrumdiddlyumptious. Am I right? I'm not right. I just wonder if, like, my parents are, like, holding their ear to the vent and just, like, listening. Just be like, oh, listen to our child, he's a moron. He's in there talking to himself like an idiot would. My dad doesn't sound like this, but hey, that's my voice. I gave him a bad day. You know? Hey. Wow, this is awful. Some awful grade A commentary. I don't know, am I doing YouTube right? Am I doing that? I think I'm going the right way. I need one more piece of the Triforce. That makes no sense since these doors. Since the Triforce is 3 pieces, I have 4. But hey, regardless, we're going into a new place. With a squirrel. It's a elevator to nowhere. An elevator to nowhere. Do 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 do. It's more. I'm trying to tie this in. Horrible segue, but this morning I got a huge package from this guy on eBay. I bought 27 PS2 games from. I bought 27 PS2 games from him because they smelled like smoke, but they didn't really smell like smoke, I think. I don't know what the guy was talking about. But the friggin' mail person just pulled right up to my driveway. I heard them open the door. I was still asleep. At 9 o'clock, they just opened the door of their car, slam it, put the package down, then back up and just lay on their horn. I just look out the window and I'm just like, go, see you. And then I send off Adam to go get my package. There's my store. Oh, whoa. Bird wizards. Whoa. Ooh. Have I fought these guys before? I don't think I have. But I mean, I know I've fought those guys before. I don't think I fought bird wizards. Yeah, the regular floppy birds. Flappy Bird. It's not Flappa. It sounds like a knockoff you'd find on like the Android store. Flappy Bird. Or something. Ooh. That's some kind of weird like porn parody of Flappy Bird. Floppy Bird. He's only floppy until he's hard. Ooh. I need to lower the... Yeah, I'll do that next time, but... Am I talking too quietly? Has the audio been jacked this whole time? I'll have to listen and adjust that, but hey... It seems fine. I haven't had any negative comments, because nobody watches this. Just my grandma. Ooh, just kidding, my grandma doesn't know how to YouTube. My grandma is a YouTuber. Whoa, contradictory statements. Yeah. I really don't know what I'm doing. Like, with this YouTube thing and with life in general, I'm just winging it. Trying to collect all the PS2 games, which there are 2,000 of. And I got 108, so I'm on my way there. So close. Am I right? I am right. Don't question Daniel. I'm on to you, Daniel, and all your nonsense. But enough about nonsense. I'm in a library of sorts. And the music is really nice. And I'm stuck. It just shows payoff. Destroy stuff and you'll find cool stuff. Bum. Lessons learned. Sorry, I got clouds. Listening for something. Someone outside my door. Someone laughing at me. Are you laughing at me? Are you vent? I know you're listening, parents, with your ear to the vent, just laughing and they're hooting and laughing, just like ah ha ha ha. But back to what I was doing. Finding stuff. Sorry if I sound like this. I'm a bit tired. Gotta go to work tomorrow. Gotta go to work really early. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Oof. I know, right? What's this? That's nothing now. Hey, for once I have a full tank of health. And a full tank of backup health. That's a first. First for the ages. First for the age. I don't know what I was gonna say. Got an upgrade though. I'll be sure to upgrade next time when I'm in town. Sorry, I burped. Sorry. I'm sorry, Jerry. I'm really sorry. In these quiet moments, I like to reflect on my life, like why I decided to do this. Why I decided to do this in my life. We'll never know. But we'll find out what's in here. I hope it's a boss. If it's a boss, I might run this episode a little longer. It's a boss. I'm gonna run this episode a little longer. Yeah, I'm gonna run this episode quite a bit longer. Well, I'm gonna finish it up with this boss fight. That's why it gave me so much health. It was like, hey, there's a boss coming. I appreciate it, game. You loaded me up good. Yo, ooh, ooh. Yikes, 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 yikes. Yikeserton. Yikes. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Okay, good to know his own kind aren't immune to his attacks. They can hurt anybody. And I died. I was so close to beating him. So very close. I was on the cusp. On the cusp of defeating him. Cusp is a word I don't use often. But are you guys prepared for an epic fast forward? Boop-a-doo-doop-a-doo. Yeah, in future games, I'm not going to fast forward as much. But starting here. Epic music, go! Epic fighting music, fighting, 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 fighting right now. I'm fighting some probably birds. Maybe I don't remember what I was fighting when I decided to record this song. Jump, 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 ba-dum, jump, jump, ba-jumpy dee. And I defeated him. Oh god. Oh, that's satisfying. Look at him bleeding. This is my land. Hey. Didn't even have to run it longer. Just had to believe in myself. If anything, it's run shorter. This is the Bird King. I am now King of the Birds. King of the Birds 2222. My brother made a YouTube channel called King of the Birds 2222, and it was awful. What are you? Oh, what is this? Swap guns. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yum. That's what I think about this gun. Wham. What is this thing? Does that mean I completed the circle? Or does that just show me a bunch of stuff? Yeah, I beat the Bird King. Nice. Nice. Look at it pulsate. It's a pulse of victory. Well, I'm gonna call it here. So this is Aaron from What We Do Daily, and I just fucked up a bird. See you later.